Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you're asking yourself, what is the most durable, low maintenance flooring? So for this, I'm actually going to give you two different options, and from there you can choose based on your budget, your tastes, etc. So the easiest types of flooring to maintain are generally considered to be tile or laminate flooring. So both of these options are durable, both of them are easy to clean, both of them are resistant to stains and moisture, and they both require minimal maintenance and can be kept clean with regular sweeping and mopping. However, again, the best type of flooring for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences, and you can really choose between one or the other of these, and they will both be easy to maintain, durable, and last a long time. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.